Dragon.
Welcome back to fame. Okay guys, welcome back to this video. We are here as Khali brothers again, guys. We are just here for you, and if you are new here in this channel, please kindly click and kindly subscribe, guys. Click the bell for notifications so that you can be updated when we are hitting our next video, so that you cannot miss anything, because in this channel
Hey, we are sure.
Humunati, guys. And today we bring you the new challenge. This challenge is called slap or facts. Slap or facts, and those the person who does not facts is getting slaps, guys. Is that easy as ABC. And we have flour here. We must have a baby powder, and we don't have money to buy a baby powder, so guys, we decided to bring you a flour for this challenge, right? Okay guys, I'm going to go first. Sure, you family, in the beginning of this video I forgot to mention something that is so important. Okay you guys, in this video each one of us is going to be given one question, and is going to have 2 attempts to attempt the question. Failing to answer the question correctly is getting slaps. So guys, get into the video and enjoy.
Which position do I play in soccer?
BOKAMOSO, come on bruh.
Which position you get disc? Come on.
I just know bruh, Rikin Toki defender. I think it's position number 3.
No.
BOKAMOSO bruh. Udisi uyetsa je SMS sese 03.
Yeah, sese 03 anabelo ke dlala defender.
O bolela sese 03.
Go to position ya 03 ntse e tla yona. Oh, araba ena.
Can I time kids number 3 ka?
Oh my god! Wow!
Has number 3?
Was number 3. I get number 3 na.
I think I have the last option. Number 8.
So go on.
That's number 8.
I get number 8.
Kina mama, when it?
Kina 6.
How does it say 03?
Whoa, but like Arab, what I could do to attack.
Okay.
Okay.
What did it see so? Which year I started varsity?
Emma.
How what maybe how it's which year I started varsity?
How do you know what you
Which year I started varsity, bro? You must know this one.
Aibo. Okay. 2015.
2015?
One eternity later.
2015, Shawaga.
Kai.
I have to see. You must have the angles are right. Tell me what I can control.
Kishabash.
It's on A. Peter Hub, which year?
Which year?
I'm giving you the second chance.
2014.
2014. How to be like Gikalesi was a varsity? I you can't be serious. 2016.
They were back in 2016. Which number do I wear on the jersey skipper?
Yo, jersey skipper. Bolo, number 10.
Not so
Hi, bro, come on, number 10.
Oi! Non so buono, non mo shelo kwa na bo.
After 10.
Kete na baba.
Number 7.
Number 7.
I am coming to bra.
Haibo.
O SMS say 03 je.
Ke no che 3, ke tla 3. 3, ke tla 6, ke tla 3.
A unka tu ka mo.
Ako khati, ka ba ka bontsha picture ka phone mona ke tshwere ke shebile kwa.
Ishebe bra no. Wena so la Facebook ke tsa slaps ka ba je.
Yo. Ukabuti.
Are you sure, bra?
Ke sure. Haibo.
You can't be serious.
How about how's one now na idlala ka? Okay, kan. Bona ichina.
Hayi hlahise bra,
Ah,
hlahise.
manje se 3.
Oh, ke 3. 3. Hayi
Guys, ke nna ke 3. Yambo ke 3 yani. Hayibo.
Okay, ke nna.
Hayibo. O tlo kwatela
Ke nna tlameha ho botsa.
Ya, ke sena potso sa hao.
What are my real names on, or what are my real ID names?
Ke
Ah, I keep on putting how to.
KEKELETSO QHALI.
KEKELETSO QHALI. Last one.
Johnny.
So. Okay, last one that.
Ke Junior.
Ke Junior. Ah, bo bra. Le kala ka H ya hint. Just to give you a hint. Kala ka H.
Harry Potter.
Ya puta wena. Happy.
What is my favorite fruit?
My favorite food. Right now I'm thinking banana.
Banana. Ke my favorite fruit yak.
I think Kalaga A. Apple.
Sure.
Kidding. Guys, we are so dead right now and I hate it. I really hate it. King. Yeah, okay. I got you. What competition I entered last year?
Last year.
Bruh, I remember so well. I even took it to my Facebook page. And they kakopa go batho ba share, and most of people ba ile ba share my flash. I ke ba mpolella gore ha ya fihlela wena ntwe.
Phone ya gane le stubborn.
Ile stubborn phone ya o king. What competition I entered last year? And okay. SLAPS. King competition e ke last year.
Ha ba mtsi bona.
Ke competition ya drink bra.
Ya drink. I can't remember.
Which means how ya naka bokamoso.
Ayo
naka mo.
Ko na ke. Yo.
Okay.
Ke
O stampo tsa dipotso tse bang ha di exist
bra. Ke nna potso tsena. Ke o bona o ntse lo bapala bolo wena.
Di exist bra. Di exist. They must exist.
Le go bona ga o tse bapala. Okay, which shoe do I wear at school? Shoes. Ke tsa se jwa. O tlo tla ga ja o naka.
Grasshopper.
Yes.
Grasshopper. I was just guessing. Make you guess. Okay, kidney. What were my major subject of choice in my high school days? You must know this.
Physics.
One. Of choice.
Yeah, physics. Ke life science.
Yeah, prepare for SLAPS. Link.
Oh,
just say it, bro.
I see on a new geography.
Say it.
I see on geography.
I was so ready to go slap.
How we get out? Yes, nigga, guess on geography.
Physics, geography, maths, life science, everything.
Do I love soccer or alcohol?
You are, bruh. Soccer. How many videos we recorded together and I posted them on my YouTube channel? You must know this one. You must know this one. You must know this one. Hey, bruh, get ready. How many videos I posted? I shooted with you. Video tse bang re di post le ke re photo
me ke batla botsa na post ke sambala dimlemo go yana me bana le teng
the video mo leng teng in this YouTube channel. And guys, I'm going to put the link of them below, and you go check those videos. Are amazing. How many videos we shoot with you and I took them to my YouTube channel. And if I wait to bra you
5
hate me
6 again.
Ki di feng?
Ke true there. Ke a di celebrity.
Smash or crash?
Yeah. Ke ke ya mamoltene tampeshola ke ile sena ring
never have I ever
ya ke ya yo a bona di abale wa itshini ne ke di bala hantle ntho tsena ka hlong ka mona
for slaps we did guy come again
I will defy it
di 5
di ka fat
no
di ka
keep it out
ke defy it
okay
di 4 guy
I don't like when people lie to me. That's the thing, okay? I hate people who lie to me. And right now I just feel like, you know, I devoted so many hours. Just listen for yourself.
Yeah, prepare shit. I'm ready for
Diga
below 5.
below 5 di 5
Below 5.
di 5
D 5. D 5.
below 5
5.
di 4
D 5.
di 4
D 4. How about Ali?
really no ke trote ke smash ke never have I ever
Are you sure?
di tema ne ke sa hopole mane
Kefe.
ene re ne ke yetse ke tlile mona
Kefe.
ge re di 2 ke tennis and calls re botsana dipotso
So di guy.
di 4
Yeah, D 4.
yes
Yeah, D 4. Nice. Remember well. Yeah. Hurry, go and watch him.
ka o smash ka go
Go and watch.
o putsa o qetela
The last one.
hana o qetetse ka nna
Yo, I get Sila. And I hate it. I hate it.
a ba
I really hate
re
it,
qetile
guys,
ta
when I'm this stage. What is my drink of choice?
drink drink
Drink of choice, yeah. My drink of choice. BOKAMOSO. If you don't know this, you don't care about me.
o ga se coke
I get couple ke no go ntho ena leng acid in. Ena leng acid.
ha se tropicana
You are just guessing BOKAMOSO.
a bo
Get We are guess. Which one is my drink of choice? Be sure this time.
ke monkey
Monkey. Kono so tle hantle ga tropica. Ai so ga da monkey da. Akutsa ke
a ba ke dragon
Dragon. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, like this video, comment somewhere here below, and guys,
mkhwetha
if you love this video, we just love you so much. We love you so much, guys. Stay tuned for our next video. It's going to be fun, guys.
Watch
It's going to
it.
be fun. Kindly subscribe for more videos.
ha se mkhwetha